We last left you in Germany after we drove through the Black Forest. This vlog picks up on the same day the last one ended, at a car park in Germany, somewhere near the French border. Morning! I'm like crouching underneath the bookshelf. Looking a little worse for wear this morning because we need to go have showers. My hair is greasy, my hair is greasy, we have lots of washing. So today's going to be a bit of an errand day. We figured we should probably get some washing done before Christmas because we don't know what's going to be shut between Christmas and New Year. So we'll take you along to show you what we do. We need a shower, laundry, all that kind of thing. We're not really sure where we're going to go yet. The place we're parked at has no phone reception, so we can't Google anything. So we're just going to drive up to the road. We know there's a supermarket about 10 or so minutes away that has phone reception. We're going to go sit there and figure out. We're going to go laundromat, gas station, campsite, not quite sure what we're going to do. And then I think we're going to head into France. We're in France now. We just crossed the border.
The border wasn't much, it was just a bridge with a little temporary booth on the side.
Yeah, I mean they usually aren't when you're between the Schengen countries.
Yeah, but there's no EU symbol or Germany, France symbol or anything. It was just driving over a normal road. You wouldn't know if you didn't know there's water there at all.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Look at this roundabout, it's so cute. Like a Christmas scene. Well, that lady's taking a photo. So cute. How cute is it? So we just got to this car park. It's like a supermarket car park, and they have a little outdoor laundromat there. Myron's just in the back sorting out all the washing.
Yeah, we keep it in this. Oh, pass me the camera. So we keep all our washing underneath our bed in this first cupboard here, and on the side we have 3 cupboards, and the first one is always for dirty washing, and we've got a couple of IKEA bags that I'm sorting into t-shirts and stuff, underwear, and I got a pile of sheets. I don't think I've done washing in...
Last time we did washing was Slovakia.
Last time we did washing was in Slovakia, which would have been...
A month or so.
Yeah, a month more maybe? I don't know. It's so hard to remember how long ago we were in countries. Time goes so fast. So this is 1 month of washing. We have sheets and towels, jumpers, pants and shorts, and underwear. There's a month of clothes. Crazy. So Hannah's in the front doing some job applications, and the washing's in the machine, so I thought I'd get on and do the dishes. Now to fast forward through them. All done.
So we just got to this motorway stop and we're gonna go inside and have showers. So we've just had our showers, feel so clean. My hair is like, really needs to be brushed. We feel really clean and nice. The showers were free, which was cool. So sometimes they're free, sometimes they cost a couple of euros each. When they're free, you usually have to give your car keys over or your ID or whatever, just almost like as a deposit. And then they give you the shower key, and then once you're done, you swap back. Forgot to close all our drawers, so they're like slapping in the back. Oh, it's got really dark. Yeah, so showers are free, they were hot, they were reasonably clean, a bit grubby, but free shower. So yeah, now we're off to our next spot where we're going to stay. You could stay in the motorway, but I don't know, motorway car parks are quite noisy. We're at the place we're sleeping tonight, and now the sheets are washed. It's time to make the bed.
New bed and new sheets. So nice with new sheets.
And we're all showered.
Crispy. Yeah.
Yay.
It's been a good job today.
Yeah.
Showered, laundry, went from Germany to France.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The next morning I had a job interview, which went really well, giving us a bit of hope that we could keep up this van life thing. Our next stop is Disneyland Paris for Christmas, but that vlog is already up, as we wanted to share our Christmas day as soon as we could. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.